Hey guys, and today I'm showing everyone this new knife I got today. I just bought it. It's a pretty cool knife. I'll show you how it opens. Ready? Flip it. I'm doing this to show Baka. Oh, and right now I'm also playing Black Ops 2, and on my phone. And there's my spray painted airsoft gun. But I like this knife. I wanted to show it off to my friends. Close it like that. Pinch it, and then you close it, and then bam. No, I spent $7 on this knife. Well, I didn't. My mom's friend did, but he bought it for me. And then this, my friend bought for $3. I spray painted because I got bored. But I'm gonna be buying a actual metal one. This is plastic. I bought it. Well, my friend did. I'm giving this to my friend and keeping this as mine. I have also my first Swiss Army knife, and then my first actual pocket knife which is open. But back to my story. Next weekend, if I can getting up to $25, I think it was, I'm buying a metal airsoft gun. So I gotta push it down real quick so I can close this knife. I always have trouble with one hand. But yeah, I'm sucking right now. I just keep dying. But yeah, cool knife. Like it. Skull's green. Skull on this. Everyone on Xbox. Well, gotta go. Peace out. I hope you have a nice day.